Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's mysticalbluestarfire here. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's fine. Today we're at Highbury Park at a different part, and I'm by another dead log. I'll just turn the camera around so I can show you in detail. And we've got some fungus here. I believe it's called chicken in the woods. Absolutely fabulous. So I want to make a grid around this piece, and there's some also in the tree. They're like grown out on trees, this fungus, and apparently it tastes like chicken. There's another one there and there, but that one's a fabulous one. I'd always find it fascinating, the fungus. So that's a tree that's died, there's roots. So we're going to do some energy work here. Fascinating. It's quite a big tree. Goes all the way up there. So anyway, there's quite a few trees around. We're not quite in the woods, just a few trees. So we're going to do a grid. I'm not sure about the light language yet. I'll try and get out into the sun for the light language, but we'll do the grid here. So this is the fabulous grid here. With the fairies as well. The fairies are having a party in the chicken of the wood fungus. Absolutely fab. This is going to make some great photos. So we've got my sage burning as well to cleanse the area. So I'll tell you the crystals that I've used. I've also used holly as well because it's very protective. So we've got dragon aura, pink aura, cobalt blue aura, fluorite, another dragon aura, pink aura, unicorn aura, amethyst. This is titanium aura, and we've got auralite 23. Very powerful crystal. It's got most of the crystals in from the earth. 23 elements, minerals and elements. Pink aura, unicorn aura, and I can hear some rustling. Someone else is having a look, see what I'm doing. Pink aura, unicorn aura, peacock aura and unicorn aura. And also I've got a couple of magnets on there as well. So I'm going to have to relight this sage. But that's today's grid. It's in the shape of a shoe horse, which is a very lucky shoe horse. So it's a good shape. So the light language that we're going to do is to open us up to the fairy realms. Open our minds a bit, if we're receptive to receive. And you can actually do this yourself by going into meditation, and you use your imagination and perhaps travel into your local woods and to a fairy tree, to a tree with a fairy entrance. Go in and just let your imagination go wild. So it's as simple as that. So hope you all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you all soon. Namaste. So thank you for joining me today in Highbury Park. Hope you enjoyed the grid. I absolutely love this chicken in the woods grid. And if anyone's ever tried it, I think you can fry it. It tastes like chicken. So if anyone's tried it, please leave a note in the comments. I'd love to hear what you thought of it. And namaste. Enjoy the rest of the day. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to you all. Thank you for your likes, comments and shares. I really appreciate them, and I hope you enjoyed the journey with me.